donut per person, guys.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you.
So much, guys.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Why don't we play Move Back? Mina now.
Ngithi mina uyodlala nabangani bakho la uyibona idlalwa khona.
Maningi now.
Udlale la.
Mamela, ngisidudla mina.
Sylvia.
Ngisidudla, so ngifuna ukudlala nomuntu olingana naye. Manje nje Move Back bangathi bakuthola usilenda ungaka bese so babona ukuthi kuyafana mos, yabo? Ngisidudla nami, angikho silenda.
Kabi nokiki bakhona kukhona itofuza
Fufu sawubona mfethu ngisithulela ngitap screen fufu. You're not even tapping the screen fufu. I don't know why. You're not even tapping the screen my friend. Ngithembe wena kuphela la. How fine size, how are you? How are you fun size? Thank you fufu for tapping. So nguwe wedwa Nkosi yami yazini kuningi. Kuningi. Joy Mam Silinda sawubona mngani wami sorry bengakayiboni comment. Bom to love, how are you? Messi, how are you? Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live, guys? Let's all tap. Mikhona sawubona Joy. Joy Mama's kiss mngani wami. Mashela sawubona unjani? Guys, sonke na tap the screen. Let's all tap the screen and share the live, guys. Sonke na tap the screen share live. Bathi yekela utshala manga. Unkosi yami we fufu akanasikhwele umngani ngiyabonga mikhona naba ama-grand. Akanasikhwele fufu Joy Mam Nkosi yami. Uright Nkosi yami.
Thank you, Mapo. Poteta. Thank you so much for the
Guys, ngicela sonke sitap screen share live. Guys, let's all tap the screen and share the live, guys. Sonke na
guys,
tap
times
screen
3, please. Donut per person.
Guys,
Or one
anyone
hand
with a
heart.
big gift on the times 3.
Oh,
Ne?
Jesus.
Guys, anyone with a big gift on the times 3.
One hand heart, sibaku 300. Or one
Guys,
donut per
sidlala
person.
i-quiet game ne. Ngaba ngunumber 3 or 4
guys.
ngizothula
Hi,
ngeke ngikwazi
Shori.
ukukhuluma.
Sorry, please, let's
Yabo.
tap.
Ngaba ngunumber
Guys,
3 or 4
triples.
angeke ngikwazi. Mina ngihlale ngu2 or 1. Guys,
Thank you
first
so
gift on
much.
the times 3. Guys,
One donut.
times 3, guys.
Guys.
Anyone with a big gift, guys, on the times 3.
We don't have much viewers.
Can you all tap the screen and share the
Thank you
live?
so much, Shiri.
Bathi yeke utshwala mabukhulu. Sengishiyele nini amabhozi? Utshwala.
Thank you so much.
Ngishiyele nini? Bathi yeke utshwala mabukhulu shiyela amabhoza. Guys, can you all tap the screen? Thank you for tapping mangani baba. Ngiyabonga ma right Joy Nkosi yami. Thank you. bathi takwa kabiyo
Thank you
takwa
for the likes.
imali kusukela kubantu.
Napo, I see you tapping the screen for me. Thank you so much.
Die for your shit. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Thank you for tapping, guys. Let's keep on tapping. Let's keep on sharing the live.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so
Guys,
much.
anyone with a rose to activate the speed, you know?
Thank you.
One rose, guys, to activate the speed. Guys, umuntu oyedwa one rose to activate the speed. Guys, can you all tap? Guys, anyone with a rose? One rose, guys, to activate the speed.
One
Anyone with a
rose.
rose?
Thank you, Queenie. Gemini, welcome. Tebu lamandiya. Tebu
Oh,
Kari
thank you, Ntombi Sifako. Thank you. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live, ne? Let's keep on tapping. Let's keep on sharing the live. I was 076 now, yes. No.
I want to get tired.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live?
Anything on the doubles.
K2 mfethu sawubona unjani? Guys, can you all tap the screen? Guys,
Cool.
anyone on a Donald handout noma something.
Thank you
Guys,
for the
abanye
dollars.
abatap the screen idlala njani?
Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi, him. Him, how are you?
Guys,
Hi,
so can I
Katide.
step in bangani bam? Noma ungena gift nje long utap the screen is
Thank you,
fine.
PM, for follow. Please tap. Him unjani? Ngicela uthephe. Thank you for the follow him. Please tap. Thank you. Thank you.
Now is our moment of silence. We feel it.
We're feeling it. Feeling it. Guys,
Tebu.
ningfollowa nikuphi?
Tebu,
Ngicela
can
nizethapha
you feel
nizongithethela.
that?
La baqeda ukungifollowa manje ngiyabonga for ifollow. Ngicela nizongithethela anginiboni escreenini sami.
Tebu, can you feel that? Angeke uthi yebo ku0 ungangijwayeli kabi.
Guys. Ziyakhala.
Yabona thina uTebu simthela ngo49 asidlali naye.
Ayilekele.
Zim ithi Jive your shit tsitsiri bara batot.
Yo, the lights lekele.
Guys, can you all
Sekumele
tap the screen and share the live?
Konje like bekathana yipi? Shekela pori. Awusayenzi.
Shekela pori. Shekela mapori. Sengitshintshile.
Khumbula sisearch singayitholi.
Hey.
Thank you so much, guys. Yo.
Angisamthandi ushekela pori.
Even ngiyanishiya mina.
Thank you so much. With the love. Thank you.
Thank you guys for tapping the screen. Ngiyabonga for tapping.
Thank you so
You guys are
much.
the best in tapping. You are the best.
Thank you.
Oh.
Let's say it's wow.
Yo, we are losing him tonight. It's not even funny.
Ati twekela maporisa. Twekela por. Papa Kipori. Guys, can you all tap the screen?
Thank you guys for the likes. Him, please tap the screen. Like each and every match. After 5 minutes, we tap Kanan and Chi. For 3 points.
Guys,
Okay,
first we've done it times 2 before we to listen, guys.
First time too. Let's see the screen, guys.
Please, can we tap, guys? Can we tap the screen?
Guys, what's the number?
Hi, FJ. How are you? Anything on the doubles, guys? One hand heart, anything. Hi, Sponello. Hi, Galaxy Boy. Guys, only 3 people are tapping. I want about 3 pen. Can you all tap, guys? Him, when I asked him, Zeluzo. Yeah, you're not tapping the screen, Chen. Zeluzo comment. Please tap, Chen.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Thank you for
I don't
tapping,
have a
guys. Yo,
player.
bese ngimangere ukuthi
Thank you
why
so
tap
much.
the screen Nkosi yami.
Mapoteta, thank you for
JP,
tapping. Thank you. Him, thank you. Spirit, thank you so
guys, can you
much.
all tap?
Hi, Shilling. Hi, Garrett. Garrett, welcome.
Guys, can you have a rose to activate the speed? One rose, guys, to activate the speed.
Thank you, Queenie. Msemani, welcome. How are you saying? Hi, Jabulo. Hi, Potlacho.
Guys, ngithepha lapha.
Oh, welcome.
I'm
Okay.
coming.
Hi, TK Alu.
Ngizongena Boniso. Guys, anyone with a rose. Boniso ufuna ungena njani anitap iscreen anikwazi nogift. Angeke ningene na. Anikwazi nokutap iscreen nongena la nenze. Nifuna ungena la nifane noTebu nonke nibe ku3. Team Curry namandla kudlala kuyadlalwa la. Thina Tebu sikushaya ukhumbula uMatawu thina. Sikushaya. Ukhumbula uMatawu sikushaya. Sikushaya ukhumbula awu tanki masiya nkabi yami. Yeah.
Guys, you click on the glove. How are you, TK Alulu?
Ah,
Hi,
Tebu.
Ilo.
Yambona uTebu ushaya le challenge ethi wayifake emakhaleni wayisusa. Wayifake emakhaleni.
Oh, really? Ngawan. Because it's like Ngawan. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, TK, for the likes. Thank you so much for the hot me. Ngawan. I think you need to spam the glove. If you're not power tipping like
Philip
the
Lito, we are
donuts,
not even tapping
any
the
gift, but
screen.
you need to put this.
Madube sawubona njani?
They were shy. But thank you so much. Okay. Yini le? Yenzi heart one. Just one heart. Oh, those but out of guy. Out of 40. I think I'm so out of 40 man. Ispeed besiphela. No, yazi ifunani. Ikhu. Ngabifaka ne. Yayimele ishawa moya kancane beshana namasisa. Wavele ifake ikhulu esiyaphisa. It won't work. And if you need that ukuthi yana. Kuneduna plastic, kuneduna box, kuneduna yana. Let's ngiyifunda. Guys, please let's tap. Let's tap. Utebe mangimvula guys, there's an aircraft. Yo. Hi Dr. Makeba. I don't know why. Yabo manje ngiyakhuluma akukhali next but bheka mangimvula. Nayi uza low sound or is yimi one. Ngikonfirm lesiphiwe or ma protector. Yawuza kunjani manje? Ngimvale ne? Yawuza kunjani manje? Ngiyayuza difference or aniuza ikimphela.
What's in the start, yeah?
Yeah. No, never confirm. I want them to confirm. Maybe it's me. Maybe it's me. I'm the problem. Naiwuza na. There is a difference. Yeah. Because my opeg. Yabo mali ngiyamvala ne. Yawoza usikunjani. I don't like mina ngivala abantu ay. It's rude.
Uzozithatha seyiphakathi game Tebu.
Uthi uyasifanela nawe ufuna uphume uyaziphumela zwi fast food.
Hey, we learn from the
Or
best,
paper or
Nkosi
wood.
yami. We
Yeah,
learn from the
uyayimela.
best.
You hear it,
You
okay?
understand? Lento
Thank you,
yokuphuma nje si uma
MJ. Thank you,
ungayikhulumanga.
Sandy.
We learn
So,
it from the
so
best.
we are small tests now.
Une
So
prettiest call angithi? Yeah. You namathela perfect nge prettiest call. Let's amabox akuzokuyenza project. Let's izinto ngikwenze.
Niyenza project ngalesikhathi.
Angithi nje ukuthi kune emergency ngibuye ngoba ngibuye manje nje aba 9. So ngihambe ngo1. Yazi ngibona kanjani vele bayenza ama last minute. Guys, let's all tab. So iyamhlula.
azi ngendlela endinwe ngayo enye inhliziyo yami ithi manje ngiphume ku-live ngiyogibela umbheda ngiphosa ifoni le khona.
Guys,
Boy, kusasa
ngisanizame
li-fresh.
nama-heart. Hayilungile.
Nami ngizohamba bonke
Mara
abantu
inkinga mina
bamba.
ngazizwa ngivilapha shuthi ukhona okukhulu okuzayo ngizobekezela.
Zimi yakhuluma njengoba ngikhathele.
Yeah,
Ngizobekezela
Ngizani
Nkosi yami.
mawukhathele vele. I'm
Hayi
fine
kodwa
wena. Mama nina nishaya because ngiyabona ukuthi yoniphutshile shem. Yo ne-fragment niyazinila mina ngingasave. So I need to push at least ngisave a fragment. I need 1.6 maybe to save a fragment. Imagine. Ngingafiki naku-half yakhona. Hi Alpha. Oh. Ngikhostile lento le. Ngikhostile shem. Guys, can I have 1 rose, please? 1 rose, please. Yo, and I can't afford to lose a fragment. Yo, we gainer. It's all up 20K. Guys, can I have 1 rose, please? Tell her 1 rose, guys. Ulikhathela box lane. Later later. Carl, thank you so much. Thank you. Hey, yenza ngani round right. This is mina. Uzoyenza ijuye ema eyelash la. Lethi cosmetic bag yami namadlu amaningi la. Khipha wonke amadlu lapho. Guys, anything on the doubles? Can we try, guys? Anything, donuts, anything. Oh. Guys, can we try Shena? Yo, please. Please, Claire. Hi, Dandy. Please.
sekuza ku 59 minutes TikTok uyasikhumbuza ukuthi selele 59 minutes to save a fragment.
Oh. No stress somnanje. Oh, hang on. Guys, ngiyabonga. Everybody is tapping. My potes, I see. Thank you so much. Ngathi nepencil ngimele ukudraw umnyango la ukhathi ungakayivali. Umnyango la ungakayivali. Mase uvale ukhathi kanjalo kumele udraw umnyango la ukhathi so that boyivala so. Hayi ghost band. Khona enye black. Yeah, lezo yenza na eyelash. Thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you. Let's pencil. Hi, Temi Kosi. How are you? Oh, guys. Yo, guys. Hey, Tiger. How are you, Tiger? Thank you for the hand, me. Are you good? Thank you for the likes. Tim Kosi. Thank you. Everybody who's tapping the screen for me. Thank you so much.
Guys, thank you for everyone who was tapping Nkosi yami. Zo, thank you for the follow. Thank you for ama-tips. Thebo wamakhara amaningi asikawukhohlwa. Angazi ukuthi ufunani la kunokuthi uyovula i-live.
Usabuya nje.
Thank you for the likes. Thank you.
Mhlawumbe uyapheka amazi uThebo.
Tendi. Thank you, Tendi. Oh, Tim, because my first hangout of the day. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Oh, out after
Oh,
next
Nkosi
week.
yami. Thank you so much. Nkosi ngiyabonga. Tiger, Pel, Puti, Mpolungi. Spear guys ngiyabonga. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you guys. Ngiyabonga. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, I need to save a fragment as well.
Vele kurestata sometimes wabhayiza ungagcina ungasabuyanga. Ngokurestata wagcina ungasabuyanga. Usathi uthi uyangena kuvele ungene lokuyimovie lokungama-short movie.
Thank you
Man
for the
was
live.
working.
Yo, ×3.
Guys, first gift 20 times 3.
Hi, Mpoza.
Net ukuscrolla kayi-1 ivele khiphe lo
Thank you
ngama-short
guys.
story.
Thank you for tapping.
A man
Thank
was
you so
walking in the
much.
bushes. He saw a golden egg. He picked it up, take it there, and it was a dragon.
Guys, any gift when we send it, it's a ×3. Thank you, Tim Costa. ×3, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Tim Kosi. Thank you so much, Tim Kosi ngiyabonga.
Guys, you are not even tapping the screen.
Are you okay? Uthulile namhlanje. What's up? What's happening? Sibonisa ne? Uthi uyayifaka iglue then uyayimele i-dry awuyinamathiseli. Njengema uhambisa inkathalo lokushumaker. Angithi uyayifaka iglue lapha bese uyayivula. Shaya umoya labona ukuthi iyabamba bese uyayivala. Alright, next time ngizozenzela. Ngenzela ngoba it's late. Oh, flip. Guys, can I have a rose to activate the speed? Just one rose by myself. Thank you, Tim Kosi, thank you. I'm just gonna join the site and see if this glue. Yeah, seventh. Otherwise, I'm gonna get this mushy box. Just a little bit. Oh, listen to it. No, that. Guys, ngiyabonga. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, guys, why me too little? Zimi. Lucky.
Guys,
Why
can you all
guys,
tap? Hey, mina bangiphi energy fanda. I don't know why. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live?
energy, they'll give you the energy back. Guys, thank you so much for the likes. Ngiyabonga, guys.
Upepereze ku-0 ndoda ubone ukuthi cha. Kuyapeta.
I-Wednesday konje namhlanje.
Anything on the doubles, guys? ×2. Hi, Tabang. Guys, can we try? Please help me here, guys. I need to save the fragment. Debsa, thank you so much. Thank you, Tim Kosi. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for tapping.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, don't get us
Thank you so
screen
much.
share the live.
Thank you for the heart, me.
Utebu uthini uthi uyabuya like?
Yeah. Uthi after yona le game.
Ithi ngisheshe ngirestarte nami akusenamuntu phela mina la kudala ngilive.
Guys, can you all tap? I'm not restart. I'm okay.
Hayi phela wena
Ngisarestart,
bewusanda
man.
ukustarta vele. Yimi kuphela umuntu
Namanje
ongeka.
vele angisarestart. Toti ngize ngiphume ngivalelise ngihambe. Not restarting. Shuthi smoke asikho. Ngayilokhu kuphelelwa ku-restarta every. Shuthi smoke asikho.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Mina ithi ngiphushe le last hour ngokurestart. Angeke ithi ngirestart.
So are we gonna play one?
Bengafuni play one bengifuna ukuphuma ngisheshe ngibuye.
Oh, okay, no
Utengu
problem.
nayo uthi simfake manje or unamanje.
Ithi ngisheshe manje in and out.
Let me see if I see him. He's not here. Hi, Bo, me. But we won. Hi, Bo. Did we get any power-ups? Did we get anything, guys? Any power-ups? Hey? Did we get anything? Guys, I'm gonna check in like your backpacks. Ah! Nothing. Hi, Bo. Oh, guys. Yo, man. Hi, Bo. Hi, Bo, too. I thought probably maybe we'll get something because it showed like win on our side. Hey, Bo. Hi, Taylor. It's a journey at the because I'm. No, Magabuye fast
I don't
again.
know. How Candy same thing busy peke passing your voice Candy is just disconnected.
Ini.
Same day
Mina,
sagcina ukudlala ngayo so
I
i-2.
don't know. I don't know what bebazama ukungiheka or in. Mangena ku TikTok ne today or nini. Ngithola username yami iphumile, ama bio iphumile. What else beyichange profile picture ngasekho. Angazi nani izinto eziningi besichange ngathi hayibo mangena kulona i-empty yonke into yami i-empty ngithi babazama ukungiheka ngi-understand.
Akunamaposti.
Ama-post akhona just i-profile picture yami beyingekho, i-bio beyingekho, i-username
Bese
ngabona
befuna
ukuthi
ukufaka ama-details wabo.
seyibhala Candy Love ngithi hayibo why ibhale Candy Love angikhoni nokuyichange ngichange after 7 days. Ngathi
Sengimangele mina
hayibo
ukuthi hawu bengimbona uCandy Lava ngathi
akusiyimi
nguye lo. Ngasho
akusiyimi
ukuthi
ngiyitshentshile and ngiyoze ngiyichange after 7 days ke ukuthi ithi Candy La
ngasho
Rose.
ukuthi uCandy
And
Rose
ne-profile picture
sekasemathandweni
le
kaDisemba.
beyingekho ngiyenza izolo.
Phela ngiyazibuza nami ukuthi uCandy sekasemathandweni kaDisemba. Seka-change ukubhala
Uh-uh.
Candy Lava.
It's not me.
Kuningi yazi guys, kuningi.
It's not me. Angithe sayitest. Nayi iyadlula.
Ucisha nama-ring light ya.
Ema-eyelash yayenza idlula i-strong. So ithi siyichache yabo. Nayi ibunamathela. Hani besiyitest. Oh, thank you. Iyaconnect yabo. Oh, level 22. Congratulations. Thank you so much.
Guys, can you all tap the
Congratulations.
screen and share the live?
Thank you so much. People, and congrats on leveling up. Congratulations. Congratulations. Ibistika Sam. Say congratulations, level up. Thank you so much. Kabonga. Yo. Yeah, iyadluka yama-eyelash. Let's
Guys, can you all
ekudlweni
tap? Etewu. Hamba uvula mfana wami. Siyakufuna sikuthole.
Kabonga. Thank you so much. Yo.
Ah.
Kongisondeza liklu.
Alright njaya makunankinga mfethu. Kahle kahle wena uvila lapho ukuthi ngo-12 ngoba soluthi after next match. Namanje futhi uthi after next match. Or ufuna ubeka ngo-half past sazi ukuthi sokubheka ngo-half past once. Ngoba salokhu sizihlupha selokhu siyakubheka ukuthi after next match siyakubheka after next match. Or usapheka ukudla lokho ozokudla ngabo-2.
Uzoyenzani? Ne? An A4 paper.
Alright, akunankinga njaya.
On an A4 paper.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live, guys? So can I tap the screen share?
Uzenza i-design yakho. So yenza nge-pretty. Angithi it's just an A4 paper. A4 paper ku-card box iyanamathela kahle. You don't need anything. So uzoyi-decorate i-color. Yabo?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Baba, uzokenzela.
I really appreciate it. Hi, Tabang.
Kudlalwa ngami la.
Yabo?
Ha, nami at least ngisuke ku-0 bathu. Oh,
Simple sishito kangakanani?
network so slow.
Yo, 1,000. Who can give us 1,000? Hi, Blake.
What's happening? Please, Nkosi yami ngiyabonga. Thank you so much.
Hi, Innocent.
Yazi at this point uyi-breadwinner. At this point uyi-breadwinner. Because go bad. Guys, Mr. Humble, follow any go Pito. Where are you guys? Itebuthini uthi uyangena futhi.
Yo,
After
I
next
really appreciate you, okay?
Uthe after
Thank you so
next
much.
match.
Imagine I'm on
Futhi siyophinda
11K.
lesidlale
Thank you so
inye
much.
futhi.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu for tapping the screen. Thank you so
Ubuyile
much.
washo njalo.
Ngiyabonga.
Ulakhe
Thank you,
ngeke
Mr.
sabuya
Humble.
la uzobona.
Thank you for the follow.
Angishongo ukuthi i-live waphuma. Wathi uyascrolla bese ubone lo ngama-short story. A man was walking on the bush. He saw a golden egg. He picked it up, took it home. Khohlwa
Stop it
awusaphuma.
like
Hey, sikhona nalesi se-mermaid manje.
Yes, ngisibonile. Salo
Ama-crabs.
Chera.
Once waqala
Batsho
wabukela lezi
nguliyani
zinto.
igama uRyan igama lakho Ryan.
hi,
Hayi lo
Letu.
inamasibazi. Ngathi ngiyarestart ke lilanga. Ngahlalisana nayo ngasala ngathi
Inyama ikhona addicted kuyona. Yalo mama angazi if uye kuphela ugogo lo uthandwa ngama-mermaid uthandwa ezinye and ugugile manje unengane ingane yakhona is beating other kids at school mara ama-cartoon yonke.
Yo, guys, thank you so much. Ciao, Tim. Go
thank you
swap
guys
mama.
for taking. Thank you for taking.
Guys, thank you
Mina
so
ngiyazi
much.
ukuthi yalo mfana
Ngiyabonga.
bamdobhayo umntwana wememedi badobha umntwana
Thank you so
wememedi
much, guys.
bayamkhulisa.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu,
Manje lo
khulu,
mfana
khulu,
isikeli
khulu,
sakhe
khulu.
iskini bese sitshintsha sibe yinhlanzi so yabo.
Thank you.
Sekaphuma nalokhu kwefishi kanti bayazi ukuthi awe.
Ngiyabuya.
Thank you so much. Hello. Ibeke laphi wona? What? Bless you. What?
Oh. Tebu sasela futhi mfana wami.
Khohlwa ngoTebu, khohlwa.
Guys, ngicela sithapheni screen, please. Guys, can we tap here? Isikhathi ngathi angiboni nizosave fragment. Just needed nje too many guys.
Uthole le yalo baba lo obandlulile ingane zakhe ozitshela ukuthi le inye isahluphekile beze nama gift for what.
Hi,
Bese balokhu
tribulation.
bayinyela. You always udlisa my family. Alright Tebu. Yabo. Bamshaya kanti uyena ophethe igift enkulu noma ngayikhipha bayikhola. This is fact.
I'm coming.
Guys, please, I'm going to tap it.
Yabo. Chutu zimsola etoilet why? Uyavepe umvepezele. Semene simbize ngomam V, Mam Vepa.
Heart layer, i-roof.
Hey, bhekana amakhava wenu bafazi amafoni. Itika ngezani orokwenziwani la. Mara le butterfly izoba right.
Oh, guys, ngiyabonga for the likes, Hlelo.
Oh my God. I knew no one will tap for me if I'm not on camera and laptop.
Hi, Litapisa.
I don't have.
Really. Guys, please, can we tap?
Tebu.
Oh, yeah. Ngiyatsha manje nifeni yaraza.
Mina ngihambise ekamereni ngifuna ukuthi ngithi ngifika lapha kube kukhulu ngoba ngithe uma ngivula umnyango kwathi umoya oshisayo.
I know the feeling, Shem.
Wow.
Yo. What's wrong, baby girl? Yeah, I think uyatsha na iyashisa.
Ngifeni.
Lethi card box leni ngenza lo moya.
Debu sasela mfana wami.
You've been coming in. Can you kindly tap for me? It shows that you enjoy seeing me. Why can't you tap the screen for me? Yeah, Jim. MR. Yes, thank you so much, Jim. You wanted me to complain before you can do it.
Ngizohlanganisa ama-A4 i4 ngizokwenza le roof. Yeah, hard.
Thank you so much, MR. How are you today? Okay, this light is too bright for my eyes. They are painful already.
All right, Debu.
Dash, welcome. Guys, please help me. It's almost 12. What's in with them?
What is him fine?
Yo guys, ngicela ningizamele nhle. Hi Sisam. Thank you so much for the heart me. Thank you so much. Ngiyabonga. Thank you. Le project ngeke iphelele. Hayi ngizoyiqeda noma ngalala ngizoyiqeda. Thank you for the pepper grind. Whippy. Ngizoyiqeda Shem. No, yo ngeke Shem. Phela is towards the final marks, yabo. Is a contributor to my final marks, so I need to help her. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, MVP. Tim, because you got it love. Thank you so much, dear. Caesar, I'm put that is piwe. Utho uTebu samfaka kanjani?
Uthe simfaka.
Oh yeah, ukhona. Eh.
Nika laba fani
Izophela uzobona ngiyenza manje.
Balambile.
Sengenze bathi i-project yakho it's just a hard house. Hard le HUT yaseNdonda. Ngazibiza ngani mina. So sengimenzelile ngaphakathi ngiyaceda manje. My project izinto zami Shem. I used to do projects for people ben bayangibhadala. Easy peasy.
Thank you, Jayam. Mala cost.
Hi Spunkile, how are you?
Every day.
For the likes, thank you so much. Thank you guys. Hi bo like ama-gents amaningi.
Yeah.
Yatiyela uKendi, hey. Yatiyela
uKendi.
Usaka qala uthi nje ti kancane. Hey uKendi.
Hayi uKendi uyagadla ngimuze akubiza ngoJoshua Do.
Guys, on that love.
Brother, how are you? We are
click on the love, guys. It's what you select gift. Then you select.
I'm calling like here.
Then you try, guys. Hi, Adrian. Guys, you click on that love. It's what you select gift, guys. Then you select a gift.
Guys, just an
thank you so much, my brother, for the heart me.
Kobzi, welcome.
Guys, anivelanga kumnyama kimi. Debu uyangibona?
Temkosi class.
Yeah, ngiyabona mina.
Mina nginiboni musi bafowethu kumnyama. Ithi screenshot ngibone mfake green screen.
Thank you so much.
Uyabonakala yazi kwethu, serious.
Mina nginibona.
Bafethu soka ngicela ngisebelana screen guys nje ngicela bafethu lihle. Ubheka ngicela ngisebela screen simphiwe ngicela ngisebela screen guys ngicela Nkosi yami. Rila RH. Don't see the screen. Rila.
What happened, Themkosi? Shy network.
What's in Bugelak?
Tim Bench.
Thank you, Pio, for the fee. I can't
Ngiyabona
do that. Woman,
Don't see some money can
anginiboni
Themkosi.
kumnyama.
Marathon
Mnyama,
sekubona namanje kumnyama.
TK
Phela.
Ngiyacela
Hayi bo.
singicela isikhathi esincane. Hi Lexi.
Kade.
Ngiyabona
ngibone
understand why kumnyama kodwa.
Hayi,
Angazi
yenza
tu.
relaxa. Lucky, relax. Yakhuluma
Eh?
nami yenza kanjalo. Igame ayiphela. Igame ayiphela so yenza lento lokuthi ingabonisi next. Bese sithi lo unga restart izoba right after igame ayiphela. Yeah. Hi Jegwa.
Hi TK unjani?
How are you?
Usuzwa ama-voice uthi hayi lo uzimi lo kid.
Sembona
Unzima.
ngapha amayendatha angena ngapha kuKendi ngapha. Nama-rose. Yena
Hawu, usuyabona futhi manje. Usuyabonayo.
Kana kuvela wena, Teo.
amakhisi and wena uboni.
Hayibo. Hayibo. Nami uzime ethi ngimplora amakhisi. Hayibo. Hey wanda. Kenda ukhulume bakithi hayibo.
Ayana. Hey kanjalo. Hey kanjalo.
Hayibo.
Ibe like
Kusukela.
so. I-A4 i-A4 sinamathisela so. I-A4 i-A4 ibe
Ngiyamvuma unamanga uzini.
Guys, anything comes to it goes right up. Damn, guys. Bayasilandela guys, can you try times 2?
Thank you my brother with the labantu bayathanda.
Thank you guys, anything you have guys. Ngicela ningipushe enhle. Hi Andiswa, hi Slash. Tamsa, thank you guys. Ngicela ningipushe na ngifuna ukuluze fragment for the first time. For the first time ngithole i-fragment guys this month. So angifuni ukuyiluza. Ngiyacela guys, angifuni ukuyiluza. Ngicela.
Like namanje akaboni.
mbona wena kuphela manje i-girls angiziboni.
Nguphi one?
Mhlawumbe uhamba wesikhathi.
Nguphi one? So
Uqale wena njaya.
Awujaya muwe ufuna ukufaka uzimi ethi khohlwa ngoteyo. Hawu. Hayi. Lo kade uyolala yena ngo-11 sezikhohlwa ngoteyo. Zimi.
Ngiyabonga guys.
Khona ukulala ulakha saselana.
Uyakhona uvinjwa yini?
Ya manje senivela nonke yazini uNkulunkulu ufike ekseni nje.
Ngishilo don't restart or restarta.
Ushilo ukhendi uyazazi lezi
Sengathi ngidlala namagoli.
Akade asehlelwa zinkinga.
Athi ya restarta bese makangena akasakhoni. Phela iTikTok ine-glitch.
Mabanga. Lapho uzimo kove sanayibulala.
Njejele ifoni yami.
Ma ungenaphi uzimo?
Angithi uyakhumbula uzokhumbula phela that's why ngimusawazi ungena live uzokhumbula yabo.
Angithi ukhona wena uzobe umblowela ama-kisses.
Awu ngeke ngingazi.
Nano utonta ifoni. Yeah.
Okay, laba rose laba sweet kufanele ukuthi amabili.
Themkosi number 10.
Guys, thank you for tapping the screen.
Ngiyabonga.
Shela ulotshi mfana hamba kahle Musa wenkosi ayuku shela ulotshi.
Thank you so much, T. Thank you so much, guys. Everybody who was tapping. Passendi match fast. Angisakhona ukunibonga kahle guys. Ngiyabonga kakhulu impela kuma viewers. Thank you so much, Themkosi. Thank you, T. Thank you so much.
Learning from the great teacher.
Akadlali ukhendi mfana Musa usathi thank you.
Hi, Mr. Blaster.
Akadlali ukhendi mfana.
Thank you. But Uzimi,
Lezo zakhe uyashisa mama.
but Uzimi, uvela athi decline. No, let me take my people.
I have to because I need to know who has power ups.
Oh.
Thank you so much for tapping the screen.
Guys, ngicela ngizame nithinta ungisi.
Ulakho nama-gens amaningi nama-gens.
Ama-gens amadanga amaningi. Awu thank you. Wow.
Ngisiza.
Ngiyabonga nge-Rose
ungakhohlwa ukhipha le
Mbala.
i-green screen or uyibeke ngamabomu or wenza
Good
ngamabomu.
girl. Iwomile lapha igreen.
Ngiyabonga Mbali nge-Rose. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the
Noma
live?
uyenzeni nami? Ukukhila ubutshani. Ukhiza. Next door.
Okay.
Oh, thank you Mbali
So much.
nge-Rose Nkosi yami
Ubutshani
songuwe
sobufaka
wena.
sesitedini.
Thank you, Titi, Masa. Bless her.
Second screen,
Imas.
guys.
Oh.
Guys, can you all tap?
God. Hle iphi lento le yabo ufuna ngayo?
Church will come in. Kanti yini leso sotweni? Yena leso sotweni. Eish.
Ngikhalisa ingoma yami kancane. Oh, ngeke.
Oyini kangaka. Oyini kangaka.
Forever
Guys,
when
please give me
I'm
quiet.
Eish.
forever when I'm
Sengize ngarestart. Njengoba sengirestart kangathi.
Ama-A4 wakho wangagcinanga.
Awungenzeni maye ma-fashion Nkosi yami. Uyambona akekho umuntu ongithethela i-screen ngiyihlalele. Inkunzi lezi eziku-36 izona iy'nkunzi zegame. Oh, thank you Mbali Rose. Thank you Mbali songuwe wedwa she.
Angeke nikhulume nonke kaso. Angeke. Mina ningenza
Ama-72
ngamaphepha ngapha ngiyakhuluma emakhwenini wethu.
abo bani?
Abona.
Thank you.
Ulaka hayi abo.
Thank you, Masaleso.
Nisabhale encwadini manje.
Oh. Before ngiyolala.
Simple wisdom.
Say thank you so much. Indaba ayikathi inkulu le. Ngisagcolo.
Guys, can you 10 roses by mistake?
Hayi. Bathi bafuna iphethe kulethi rubric ngizobheka. Rubric.
Hey.
Yeah. Good. Please.
Anifake lapha kulakha azomute.
Sorry. Guys, ngicela enye futhi vele sifike ku-500 azothula uzini. Hayibo uyangiphaphela. Ngathi 500 manje sifike ngawo. Guys, thank you so much. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you so much Phiwe. Hi Mzi. Ela, safika futhi. Let's go on the club guys. Donuts on the club. Ubuthi nzima. Guys, remember you click on the glove, it's gonna say select gift. Manga shy, you click again on the glove, guys. Let's go, you're shy, you're spirit. Ah! Shut up! Abathule, thula mthindo. Mamela mina ke ngiyenza iproject engane. Ayibisali guys. Ngiyabonga. Thank you so much. Ungabe ngithulisa zini next time yabo. Abantu abathandi. Uyikhuluma nami nakhona. Hayi noma ngifundele. Ngithanda uzohasa la kula yiki. Baby! Baby! See, thank you so much.
Thank you Mbali Nkosi yami. Nkosi yami bonke.
Everybody was taking ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Bengakwazi ukubonga kahle Mbali bengithulile kukhuluma unumber 1 no 2. Ngabona unumber 3 no 4. Ngizobe lokhu ngithule njalo.
Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much.
All of our back is in abashana bazenze malume. Seven the screen guys.
Ah, Nana. Okay. Thank you so much, Mzamba. Guys, please, everybody, let's go tap the screen. Please, guys. Woo! Santo Universe. Ubani we-music? Because we're number one. Ubani? Oh, uzini. Kanjani ukuziko, sisi? Music kanjani ukuziko?
Ijuna na.
Udaba my queen. Shalawa, please, can we tap the screen, guys?
Sentle low pan. Let's all tap, guys. Number one and two, let's do the number one or number two.
Guys, if we tap the screen, I get like 3 points.
Number four, number
Can we
three.
all tap the screen, guys?
Thank you so much,
Can we
Suzanne.
all
Let's
tap who's coming?
go.
Can we all tap the
Rally,
screen,
oh,
beautiful people?
funny. Thank you so
Can
much. Ngathendile impungushi khulumane nazani kuzi.
La endlini kuyashisa nkosi yami yo.
Thank you,
Vandaga.
Queen.
Thank you, Mtamba.
Uzosethembe ithekeni yakhe inchuzi.
Thank you so much, Mtamba. Thank you.
Ivuke bazi iqede lapha ikayisuni. Letela amabhazi ba.
Hello. Oh, no,
Ngizokubona ke.
Mtamba lo.
Iqede lapha ikayisuni. Umntana wakhe uyibona uyikhuza.
Thank you, Jack. Jack, can I have a hand heart, please? Please.
Namanje ngithande lento le namanje ecosystem.
Yeah, nayo.
Hawu.
Thank you. Can I have a hand heart, Jack? It's pink, the hand heart. Thank you so much for that.
Liona bahlala bathole 0 maroon. Zero maroon. Liona bahlala bathole 0 maroon. Swine. Welcome in.
Lovely.
0 maroon.
Tshalo kungena sona. Ngena. Thank you so much.
Long live Sita Samuel.
I understand Ilana, ne? Why bathi menze Ilana but in 3D? Why bathi menze i-heart?
Piwe, how are you? Yes, Piwe. Don't say on ngiyayisaba wesiphiwe.
Bani? Not necessarily bafuna i-heart. Awu makahle. Bani?
Oh, Nkosi yami. Semfelo
Because lento lemele yenze i-3D.
Nalidonga lamabuso.
3 dimensions.
3-dimensional shape.
Hey, yeah. Ngibona i-rubric yakho la uzothola 0 because of according to the
However, tuzothola zero.
Kanjani?
Hayi lama
Okay, ndiyaphetha yazi.
Ngihlala ngibathi bayenza ama-project they must look at the rubric yiye baguyidayo. Okay. Singayenzani?
Suzothola zero.
Ufuna into yokwapho.
Oh shit.
Yabo kube lento le bayifuna right
How are you, Mr. T?
Big. Maybe even the side.
Thank you so much, Mr. T, for taking this little game.
Yabo. Lethi phone yakho hayithizo. Thank you Mdamba. Lethi phone yakho. Ngibonisa into kumele uyenze.
Guys, let's save the screen, please.
I'm turning into a zombie.
Guys, thank you so much. Much appreciated. We just need a savior, guys. A savior. Yo, like umnyango lo ufuna Q20 yo.
Yahlasela okay dipano wakho.
Like hayi ukuthi ngiyahlasa like Q20 ukuthi
Udabaka yahlasela.
Angihlaseli.
Udabaka.
No, angihlaseli.
Ayona namhlanje akazi nithelelile okay.
Hayi angihlaseli. Uyazi umajenza amaningi angihlaseli.
What's
Guys, let's snap again with the donut. We must snap our game. Snap!
Hawu uyahlasela lamalanga debu.
Guys, we need all the help.
Yes, I
Okay.
said.
Ngiphelelwe yithemba.
Okay,
Give me one,
that's
guys. Fragment. Can I just, if you save the fragment, I'm not gonna show you one.
Sengiphelelwe ithemba, vuselele ithemba baba. Ngiyabonga.
T3.
Thank you so much.
Makumalo Salbona. Thank you, guys. 3.
okay, that's it. Ngoba kade wayewuzwa lo mnyaka yazi isho lutho.
Hayi namhlanje ngizwa ngathi too loud, so too loud.
Akunasmoke lesawuzwakala kakhulu ngisho akunasmoke sokuthi abantu bayarasa.
Oh, like,
Hayi,
thank you,
noma
Dennis.
Hayi okay ngiyayikhulumela nje bye. Uthi namhlanje uzwala kakhulu.
Kodwa kufanele
Ngidlala ke njalo.
kufanele Q20 shem isiba right.
Hayibo.
Awuyifuni next. Ngiyenzela ukuthi yabo phela mina ngithanda ulala ngakhiyanga yabo. Ngiyenzela ukuthi umuntu makangena ngemuzi. Angithandi ukhiya. Isikora yize ezikhiya ziyajima mara ziyakhiya zifake namsikhiye namabhadi.
Guys. No. Guys, ngizaniphephele. Can I have your Jesus Christ? Since you hangagi. Ngiyapanic because I don't even have it law. Guys, one galaxy nje sengiyazi. Hi Mr. T.
Sisiwa yungosi yami akusakwazi.
Hi.
Ubona ungena usisi. Ngena ngazi kule mistake live yami.
Ngikhuluma kanjani ngoba phela yimi number 1.
Wena wedwa sisolo.
Wena wedwa boss. Bani number 2.
Phela nina ngithula ukuthi ukhuluma mina ngedwa.
Hayi,
Yes,
500. Nakancane. Mina ngicela mangilile u500 imusic ithule kancane.
Awuveza sizothula yonke into yathuka. Ngiyake ukuthi ukufike.
Thank you so much. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngiyabonga.
Lana i-original nomasonto.
Fight. So disappointed.
Morning wale. Ay. Candila maros zamaningi, candila masin zamaningi.
Malima, welcome Malima. Ngiyabonga for the live. Sisakane ngitshela. Kupaleni tepele ku-screen here. Kupaleni tepele ku-screen guys. Petra, welcome. Guys, anything in the triples, welcome Lungi. Hi Musota. Thank you, Lungi. Hi Carol. How are you, Carol? It's Maxine. Ngizenzani? Ngicela ungicocele yonke into la ulethe amaqhinzo ngenzela mangiqede kuba live khona la. Bekaze ngizofika phela ngizozenza mangiqede etafuleni. Ngilala. PTI, welcome. Do. Oh,
Hayi kanzi mangizombe manje.
Zimi. The music is too loud. Hi, Talenti. Dala nivulile, maybe that's why. Makreni, wabeke lapha ile kaseni lami. Thank you with the pink. Pepper Crane. Thank you so much, Chingabonga. I'm going to pay one more hand heart or anything in 100 points. Oh, it's only 15 minutes. Please. It's 270 points. I need 270 points. Hi, Mofu. I need 270 points. Thank you so much, Ngiyabonga. Thank you so much. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. uNkulunkulu akubusise. Ngiyabonga ulale kahle. Yo, sengishuthe like 170. Thank you so much. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ungisizile namhlanje ngiyabonga. Thank you so much. Thank you. Come on, Nana, man. I'm going to the project. Okay. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you. Oh, hi, man. Solo. Now I need 170 points. Snipe inkosi yami. Ngicela umuntu uzongisiza because abantu baningi balela. Black Childy. Ngicela bana azongisiza sengishutha kancane phela. Yo. Hi Jimmy. Hi Lala. Hi Bantwini. Hi Lord King Kazi. Ngicela ningithebele. Please. Alala. Ngalali Temu.
Seven screen guys. Mohau Maru.
Amen, how are you? Amen, how are you?
This work is a team.
People tapping.
The
Oh,
great
one. First.
Wait, you did save the screen.
Oh, it's fine. Please tap the screen for me, Lena. Please. I am dark and lovely. Welcome. Oh.